It is March 15th, 2019, and this is 2105 Springdale Road in Richmond, Virginia. And this is the first video in the series of this renovation. As you can see right there on the front door, this is 2105. And what you see here is the roof was installed this week and has been paid for. You can see the flashing has been taken care of. And then the demolition was also completed. So you can see that all the louvered glass has been removed and the floor tiles out of here. And the same thing with the back here. And this is our first dumpster full. And then that is the garage. We're not doing anything with except for an entry door. And I'm just walking you around back so you can see the backside. This is backyard. It's fairly clean. There's a few things left to be addressed back in here. We'll get when we get a new dumpster. But all right, so here's the backside of the house with a new roof, and you can see that the screen porch was taken off the back porch as well. But the roof turned out really nice. So now we'll go inside, and all the interior demolition has been completed. I'd say maybe, but for one or two small items that they ran out of energy for, I reckon. So you can look at it immediately, you can see that we took out a lot of the damaged ceilings and the whole kitchen has been removed. And then this is the big reveal. We took this entire wall out, as you can see, and it completely opened up between the living room and the dining room. Took out a lot of damaged plaster. So let me get back here in the corner so you guys can see. So we had to take out this entire ceiling, but as you can see, the dining room and the kitchen are now one big room. We had to take out a lot of the ceilings due to just a lot of nastiness. So this is the living room, and all the baseboards have been taken out. This door is damaged. We got to get a new door. And then let me walk back in the bedrooms here. So as you're walking in, you can now see, you walk right into the kitchen. Okay, this was a lot of water damage in here. So this was from a roof leak. This is why we had to take out most of this area in here. Okay, and then here, we had to take this ceiling out as well. So, and then we took this carpet out and it had the hardwood underneath of it. This bathroom has been completely demoed. Sorry, the lighting is a little poor. It's late in the day. It's about 5:30 on Friday evening. So this room, a lot of the plaster over here, this was probably the worst roof damage that we had. So a lot of this wall and all of this ceiling had to be taken out. You can see the extent of the water damage is actually like worse of so you can see how it's rotting out some of these beams and some of these cross ties. So, and you can see all the way up in there. That's the master, well, one of the master bedrooms. So we'll go on upstairs next and show you what we're doing here. So we go upstairs, and this ceiling came out. This ceiling we don't really need to take out. We've got this one crack right here. We should be able to make that look good enough where we won't have to do anything with it. And so this room, other than the baseboards getting taken out, what our plan is here is right at this line right here. We're gonna put a wall and a door. We're gonna turn this into a master closet. This is the larger of the two bedrooms upstairs. So we walk in, and this would be a walk-in master closet. We'll still retain this closet here, but this will be the walk-in master. So we had to take out the entire ceiling here and a lot of the wall over there due to the water damage. And you can see how extensive the water damage was because it has completely rotten out. Hold on. We had to replace some of that plywood, and it has completely rotted this joist and the whole top plate on this wall here. So the water damage was quite extensive for quite some time. So we'll have to address these issues. But it got down into the floor, and that's why we had to take the ceiling out down there. All right. And so here is going to be what we're going to do with the master bathroom. So what we have going on here is we had that wall right there. We took that out. And so now that'll open it up so we can do a tub, and we can also do, you know, reconfigure this however we want. We'll figure it out. But it really opened it up. It'll be a nice, you know, master bathroom. The situation that we have is it's the only bathroom upstairs, so probably going to leave this door as it is and just wall that off over there so that we don't use up, you know, valuable space in there with doors. So, and then there'll be one entrance. Seeing as how this is the smaller, this is the smaller of the two rooms as opposed to this one being the bigger of the two. All right. So that is the first installment of 2105 Springdale. All right. Thank you. Bye.